Hello and welcome to the Nourish Your DNA channel, where we make complex science easy to digest. Today, let's dive into the fascinating world of DNA. Deoxyribonucleic acid. Think of DNA as a master blueprint or a detailed recipe book for our bodies. It holds all the instructions needed for us to develop, survive, and reproduce by dictating how proteins, the building blocks of life, should be made. Understanding DNA is the first step to understanding our health at its most fundamental level. Now that we know what DNA is, let's discuss why maintaining DNA health and stability is vital. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the blueprint of life. It holds the instructions for making all the proteins in our bodies, and these proteins are involved in virtually every function of our cells. So you see, the health of our DNA directly impacts the function of our cells, and by extension, our overall health. Imagine DNA as the foundation of a house. If the foundation is unstable, the house can develop cracks, leaks, and other problems. Similarly, if our DNA is unhealthy or unstable, it can lead to a variety of health issues. These could range from accelerated aging to serious diseases like cancer. So, maintaining DNA health isn't just about preventing disease, it's also about promoting overall wellness and longevity. Taking care of our DNA is taking care of our health at its root. So, how do we ensure our DNA stays healthy and stable? Meet imuregen. Imuregen, a phenomenal product, is your DNA's best friend. Designed as a dietary supplement, it's packed with the essentials our DNA craves: nucleotides, oligopeptides, amino acids, and a variety of other vital minerals. But how does it work exactly? Let's start with nucleotides. These building blocks of DNA and RNA are crucial for cell division, repair, and growth. They help keep your DNA sequence intact, preventing mutations and maintaining stability. Next up, we have oligopeptides. They are short chains of amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins. Proteins play a multitude of roles in our bodies, including repairing and building tissues, making enzymes and hormones, and supporting immune function. By supplying your body with these essential components, imuregen helps your DNA do its job more effectively. Amino acids, next on our list, are vital for a range of functions from building muscle to boosting immunity. They are the unsung heroes that keep our bodies running smoothly. Lastly, imuregen is rich in essential minerals. These minerals play a key role in everything from bone health to nerve function. They contribute to the overall health and stability of your DNA. To give your DNA the care it deserves, consider adding imuregen to your diet. Check out the description below for more about imuregen and how it can help you lead a healthier life. Remember, when you nourish your DNA, you nourish your health.